Expand your selling experience and options for your customers with on-site QR code ordering. Customers will never have to wait in line. They can simply scan a CASHDROP QR code on their mobile device, browse your menu, and check out. QR codes are an excellent way to offer contactless ordering on-site, making sure your staff and customers stay safe. CASHDROP allows you to export QR codes for your main shop link, your menu, and even individual items. For your main shop, tap your CASHDROP link in your My Shop tab. For your drop menu, go inside your drop and tap your unique drop link. For an individual item, select an item and tap on the item's unique item link. Each of these links can be exported, printed, and placed around your business for easy access. QR codes are an excellent way to expedite customer ordering time and easy access to your digital menu. This and all features are available at no monthly fees or commissions to all CASHDROP users. If you have any questions, hit our Team Up and the Apps Help Me button. Cha-Ching!